Hello everyone. Finally, Bell, a Textron company, has won the US Army competition to build the Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft, the service's largest helicopter procurement decision in 40 years. If we're thinking about the whole value of the program after replacement the whole fleet, this value could reach up to $70 billion. This competition was between the Bell's V280 Valor, a rotor aircraft, and the Sikorsky and Boeing's Defiant X, which features a coaxial rotor blades. Both aircraft were designed to fit into the same footprint as a Blackhawk. The V280 Valor is a smaller version of the V22 Osprey. The Valor has a 14 troop capacity. It is about 50 feet long, 82 feet wide, and about 23 feet high. Its empty weight is 18,000 pounds, and its propellers are 35 feet diameter. Its cruise speed is 320 miles per hour, which is the equivalent of 520 kilometers per hour. Its combat range is 580 to 920 miles, and its ferry range is 2,400 miles.